Hello. Today we are going to learn how to find the multiples of a number. Let's begin with a word problem. Every week, John earns $5 doing his chores. How much will he have earned after 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks? Well, the first week he earns $5. The second week he earns 2 groups of $5, which would be $10. The third week he earns $15. The fourth week, he earns 4 times $5. 4 groups of $5 would be $20. And after the fifth week, he earned 5 groups of $5 or $25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Those are all multiples of the number 5. So what are multiples? Multiples are skip counting. A multiple of a number is the product of that number and another number. I like to remember it as multiples many. Multiples many because you could skip count forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. You could skip count by 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and go on forever. So multiples many helps me remember that multiples are skip counting because there's an infinite number of multiples for a number. Multiples are the numbers that happen when we count by any factor. So when we're counting by 2s or counting by 5s, those are all multiples. For example, the multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and so on. If you look at a multiplication chart and you look down a whole column or across a whole row, those are all the multiples. So for example, the multiples of 3 would be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. It would even continue on to 33, 36, 39, and on. The multiples of 2, you always start with that number. So for example, the multiples of 2 would start with the number 2, then would be 4, 6, 8, 10. Multiples of 3 start with that number. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. The multiples of 5 are my favorite. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And you could check, is 1 times 5, 5? Yes. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. So if you wanted to figure out what is the fourth multiple of 10, you would do 1 times, or 4 times 10 is 40. So the fourth multiple of 10 would be 40. The first would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So here's a challenge for you. The numbers 15, 25, and 40 are multiples of blank. What number would have 15, 25, and 40 as a multiple? Which is also saying that this number is a factor of both 15, 25, and 40. Well, it can't be 2 because these numbers are not even, so it can't be 4 either. 15, 25, and 40 are all multiples of 5 because 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 5 is 25, and 5 times 8 is 40. The numbers 3, 6, and 15 are all multiples of blank. Can't be 2. Is it 3? Well, 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and 5 times 3 is 15. So 3, 6, and 15 are all multiples of 3. So remember, multiples many. When you're skip counting by a number, those are the multiples of a number.